Hey there, I'm Ryan Kelby. This is John Malashak with me. We're here with the Maniac's Garage. We brought our 49 Ford to the OPTIMA Ultimate Streetcar Challenge this year at SEMA 2022. And John's going to tell you a little bit about the car.
Thanks, Ryan. So this is our 49 Ford body swap BMW, and that's right, you heard it right. It is just the skin of the 49 Ford. Everything else is a 2008 BMW 335i. And we took on this project about 2.5 years ago. We have full-time jobs and families and other responsibilities, but we do this on the weekends. So it was Saturdays for about 2.5 years is what it took to get this car here. And we're having a lot of fun with it. So why don't I have you talk about the engine?
Sure. So up in the engine bay, we have the stock N54 engine that was in the 2008 BMW. We have a Dock Race intake kit with a Garrett Motion 62 millimeter turbo, pushing lots of air through this engine. The rest of the internals are stock. That's been a question I've been getting a lot today. They're asking how long it's going to hold up, hopefully for a while. But that's what we have to work with, so that's what we're rolling with. We do have a Motive Reflex controller on it. Finally got it tuned on the dyno. We're running over 600 horsepower at the crank, 523 at the rear wheels, so we're really excited to see how this thing's going to do out here today.
Yeah, and as far as the body goes, we took it a little further than that. We actually chopped the roof 4 inches. We shortened the body 7 inches, which ended up fitting on the BMW chassis just about perfectly, which was a really kind of a wild card there. For the interior, we're running some Status racing seats. They were custom upholstered in red suede with black stitch, and the rest of the interior is handmade aluminum panels wrapped in black suede. We have a custom-made roll cage. We're running a really special set of wheels on this car. They were custom made for us. They're Hostile racing wheels. There are 20 by 12 on the front and 20 by 14 on the rear. We have Toyo tires, 305 25/20s, and 345 25/20s on the rear. So we got quite a bit of meat to get some good grip out here on the track. We always meant for the car to stay raw and unfinished. We really like this kind of aggressive, post-apocalyptic kind of a look. And so the car is going to stay like this. It is coated so that it'll continue to keep this patina. And then we felt that we wanted to add the gloss kind of contrasting aero package and just details to the car. We do want to say thank you to OPTIMA. We are running a yellow top OPTIMA battery in this car. And we're really grateful to be out here this week and play around with these guys. So, what do you think? Is that cool?
I think that was good. Thank you so much, OPTIMA, for the opportunity to be here, and thanks for listening along, and come check us out at Maniac's Garage. Thanks.